Folks, it's Christmas Day, December 25th. This is the GTA Condo Show. It's Christmas Day. Why are you watching us here today?
For those diehard real estate fans, we do have the numbers coming up for you. We wanted to take this segment to thank you guys all for all your support this year. From all the people that watch, that like the videos, that comment on the videos, that share the videos, from all the phone calls we get. We feel like we have such a great community here, and we want to thank you guys. We look forward to getting back to our regularly scheduled content in 2025.
Now, let's get into the numbers. Here we go, folks. It's the condo shows for the GTA on Christmas Day. Let's get right into it. Here's a quick summary of average sold prices. We're going to be looking at City of Toronto, York region, and Peel region. And for this week ending December 18th, it's one of the few times that we see the York region average sold price slightly higher than the City of Toronto average sold price. And if we take the low, which is the Peel region, and the high, in this case, the York region, there's only a $58,000 difference between average sold price, low to high. We're going to get started with the City of Toronto. For week ending December 18th, 129 condo apartments were sold. 12 were at $1 million or more. Sales are trending down. Average sold price, $670,000. Average sold price trending down, but that should not surprise anybody. We do expect, I've said this many times, the end of the year, at some point after the fall season rush, we'll say, sales prices tend to turn down, and that's where we are now. So I want you to look at the last 2 weeks of the year and the first 2 weeks of the new year. Look, we're all interested in the numbers, but don't take them so serious. The last 2 weeks and the first 2 weeks. Compared to last year, $670,000 is 4% lower year over year. The median price is 2% lower. The dotted line, that's a 4-week moving average. Median price and average price trending down slightly. 129 were sold, 18% sold at list price or more. Listings trending down, which is normal. Active listings trending down, which is normal this time of the year. There's 4,335 condo apartments available for sale. You recall, going back, 129 were actually sold of 4,335, basically on a weekly basis, at least for this week, but it's pretty steady now each week. About 3% of the condos available for sale are selling. Months of inventory, a little bit higher. It's now sitting at 7.8 months of inventory. Kind of looks like months of inventory has been trending up. Pretty much, it's not a surprise to, well, at least it should. If you follow this show, it shouldn't be a surprise. We're pretty much in a buyer's market when it comes to condo apartments. That's the whole city. Here's Toronto broken down into 9 different sections. And if we say the whole city is averaging at 7.8 months of inventory, some neighborhoods a bit higher. Scarborough is at 8.5. Midtown is at 9.8. Downtown, where we normally have the lion's share of sales, lion's share of listings, lion's share of active listings, that's where we see the most activity. We're sitting at 9.4 months of inventory. Here's York region condos. 28 condos were sold for week ending December 18th. One of those was at $1 million or more. Average sold price kind of looks like it's starting to creep up, now sitting at $680,000. 680 is 7% higher year over year. The median price is 9% higher. 28 were sold, 19% sold at list price or more. Listings are trending down. Active listings are trending down. Months of inventory jumped up. We're sitting at 6.3 months of inventory. Now, Peel region, sales are trending down. 19 condo apartments were sold for week ending December 18th. One of those was at $1 million or more. Average price jumped up a bit. We're now sitting, quite a bit actually jumped up. We're now sitting at $622,000. 622 is 12% higher year over year. Median price is 2% higher. 19 we said were sold, only 11% sold at list price or more. Listings are trending down. Active listings trending down. Months of inventory trending up. It's quite high at 9.9 months of inventory. Here's a summary. It's no secret. We are sitting in a buyer's market when it comes to condo apartments across the GTA. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support. Happy holidays.